People often ask me what separates a successful concrete product business from an average one. My answer is simple: focus on three M's. The first M is a machine. No matter how strong the demand is, your business can only be as good as the machine behind it. Reliable and efficient machinery ensures consistent quality, predictable output, and long-term profitability. The second M is a material. Even best quality machine cannot compensate for poor quality raw materials. Consistency in cement, aggregates, and water is essential to produce block that meets the market expectations. And the third M is manpower. Technology is important, but skilled operators and supervisors ensures that every process runs as intended. Their expertise helps to maintain productivity, quality, and efficiency. When the right machine, right material, and right manpower come together, manufacturing becomes more scalable, more reliable, and more profitable. That's the foundation of successful corporate product business.